Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into dip powders from Bling Galleria. We're going to be creating a pink purple glamorous kind of bat mani today, and I'm so excited to be playing with these colors because I've been dying to play with this pink, and I really wanted to tie some pink into Halloween manis because you don't really often see pinks pulled in. So I thought this would be a great way to show you how to incorporate this beautiful color. This color right here is called Pyro. It also glows in the dark, so super fun, and wait till you see it paired with Rad, which is a purple. We're going to do some ombreing with it, and then this glitter called Glamorous Bats. Just wait, it's going to get really fun. All right, so we are on day 24 of the 31 Days of Halloween series. Remember, there is going to be that random Halloween picture that's going to pop up anywhere in today's video. That is the image you need for your Google entry to enter in that giveaway. All right, so let's get into this mani here, and then I'm going to pop back in just a little bit. All right, so we're diving into the ombre here. So I'm going to start off with the pink first because I really want that transition from the thumbnail to this nail right here to kind of fade together to coincide with that pink. So I'm taking this little brush right here. It's from Wet n Wild. It is off Amazon. Everything that we're using in today's video can also be found in that description box below. All right, so I'm just gently tapping that powder onto the nail, and then we have like this beautiful radiant pink effect going on, but we're going to make it better. We're going to add another color here. This is that beautiful purple, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm just going to gently tap on that powder there to create this really beautiful radiant effect. And all I'm doing is just tapping on that powder, making that line here, and it's all going to come together at the end. When you're using two colors, I definitely recommend tapping off that extra off to the side so you do not risk contaminating that other color. I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds. We're going to dust off, and then we're going to go ahead and do another layer of ombre. But this time, after we go ahead and apply that gel base, you want to go ahead and alternate those colors in order to get a really beautiful radiant effect. So I'm going to apply that gel base. We did not cure that, and then instead of going in with the pink like we did that first time, we're going to go in with the purple this time and go ahead and gently tap that on the nail, and then we'll go back into that pink color. So that is the best way I find for doing an ombre. And if you want to build up that color and intensity, you can always go in with a third layer of ombre, and you would just then continue to alternate those colors. All right, so let's get back into some spooky music, and then I'm going to pop back in just a few moments. Alright, so now we're diving into this beautiful glitter here called Glam Bats. This is everything. Check out the sparkle. It is like this holographic, almost like white goldish glitter. It does not have like that brassy yellow undertone to it. It is stunning. It is very glamorous. And I feel like you can use this glitter a couple different ways. So I dipped in with the gel method here. It's very, very full coverage as you can see. But these bats are big enough where you could avoid them or remove them, and you could totally rock this color just as this as itself without the bats. So that's another option. So not only do you have like a fun Halloween dip powder, but you could use this color like all year long. See what I mean? Without the bats, it's super pretty, very sparkly. So that's what it looks like with one dip. I cured it, I'm dusting off, and I really like that coverage that I had. So I was like, all right, let's go into these bats. So what I'm doing right now is I'm applying a layer of gel base. I am not going to cure it, and then I'm going to take this precision tool, which is also from Bling Galleria, and I'm just going to place these bats on the nail. Now these bats have a really gorgeous color shift to them that tie in this whole mani together. So in some lights it looks purple, and then in other lights it looks pink. So it's like the perfect bat for this ombre. And then I'm just putting these bats kind of like on kind of like a slight angle because I wanted to make them look like they were like flying up to the air. And these glitter pieces are really thin. They're not like those thick, like chunkier kind of bat pieces that sometimes you see. So they do lay really flat to the nail. So now that I placed the desired amount of bats, I'm going to go ahead and just straighten them out a little bit with that precision tool. And now I'm going to flash cure for 10 seconds. Now flash curing for 10 seconds is going to allow me to go ahead and press gently on this nail here, and I'm going to just really make sure that all those bats are laying super flat. So this is a trick to help get any chunky or little shaped glitters laying super flat. Just flash cure it for 10 seconds and then press them down, then put it back in the lamp for a full 30 seconds. And then to make sure that these are going to lay super flat, I did a layer of gel base and I cured for 30 seconds. So that's all I did for that nail, and it's laying very flat. So now I'm going to go in with another layer of gel base here on the ombre nails, and we're going to add a little bat to each of the ombre nails. Now I wanted to keep the bat placement really simple because I did not want to take away from this gorgeous ombre that we did, but I also wanted to incorporate a bat because I felt like the bats tied in this mani so well. So I'm just placing one of those bats right there on the little tip there, and then I had a little piece of glitter up on that top, so I'm just taking that precision tool and gently scraping that away. So I'm going to go ahead and cure for 30 seconds, and then to make sure that that bat does not lift up, I'm going to go in with a layer of gel base right away and cure that for 30 seconds. And I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other nail, but I'm going to place the bat on a different side. But overall, super easy to do with this mani. These bats kind of just bring a different like vibe to this whole mani because they're purple and they're not like your traditional black bat. So I really like it. Definitely love the name of this dip powder too. Glam Bat totally is giving me all those glam vibes. So all right, so we cured for 30 seconds and now we're sealing that bat up with a layer of gel base. So then what I'm going to do now is finish up with the gel base on the rest of the two nails that we did not apply that gel base to, and then I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. But overall, I had so much fun creating this mani. The ombre was so fun. I haven't done an ombre in a while. All right, now to seal everything in, I'm going to go in with a layer of gel top coat and cure for 60 seconds. I'm going to do the rest of the top coat off camera. All right, so here is the finished mani. I love it so much. There's just something about these bright colors here and that sparkly accent nail with the bats that is just like screaming glam Halloween to me. I love it so much. It was very simple. We played with some glitters, some solids, and also don't forget, this mani glows in the dark. So we kind of have a lot of different elements going on, but overall, so fun. So everything that we used today can be found in that description box below. And don't forget that image that popped up today. That is the image for the Google entry form for that giveaway. But overall, I just had so much fun with this mani. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. It definitely helps the algorithm because if you like this video, then it recommends it to others so then we can grow our nail community. I would really appreciate it. All right, so I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you all in the next spooky one.